Sometimes replacing an older intercom can be challenging. A kitchen remodel left this homeowner with an opening only 2 inches deep to replace their existing intercom. Using custom update frames developed at Central Vacuum stores, we were able to solve their problem. We bumped out the intercom, allowing plenty of room for the new intercom master. You can see the custom update frame surrounding the NuTone IMA 3303 IP. It's an iPod-ready intercom available only at Central Vacuum stores. With over 27 years of intercom installation experience, our trained experts can talk you through any intercom installation. Replacing older speakers can also be a little difficult. First, unscrew your old speaker. Next, trace around your new rough-in frame using it as a template. Then cut out the new opening using a drywall saw. If you look to the right of the opening, you'll notice we left some of the frame from the old speaker. This isn't usual, but in this situation, removing the old frame might have compromised the existing wiring. To accommodate the remaining frame we left behind, we trimmed the new rough-in frame. Sometimes when you replace a speaker, the new screws are too close to the existing wiring. If this is the case, just shorten the screws using wire cutters. This customer chose to install the NuTone IMA 4406 IP iPod ready.